Hello, hi, namaste. I welcome you all to my channel. Myself Raju Hegde. Today we are going to learn about trade-off between bias and variance. In the case 1, I have taken house price prediction, the price versus square feet. So we have built a model with the training data and we are predicting. You can see here, this is the prediction point. And it's very simple and we are predicting and the line is very straight and the model is very good. Right? Model looks very good. So in the second case, when we have a training data, something, this is the green one is training data. The training data is something like this, and testing data is also something like this. So here we need to put a best fit line. So how we can do that? We'll have a look into that. So for example, if we have taken the best fit line something like this, then in this scenario the errors with respect to training data looks very high. But even though it's working very well with the test data, this red one is test data, it is working very well more or less with good with test data. I'm not selling 100%, but yeah, its difference is very less compared to training data. So train data high bias because large error. This we call as a high bias. When the training data is not working very well with the system, we call this as a high bias. And but little decent with the test data and average variance. So test data is working little bit decent, so we call this as a average variance. So high bias and low variance. This is called underfitting. Remember guys, underfitting is something like high bias and low variance. System will not work well with the training but does well with the testing. So in the second case, what we have done is we have made a polynomial. We have made a complex model here. So in this case, zero error with the training data is low bias, zero error. But the model is not good with the test data. The poor performance with the test data. That means high variance and low bias. This is called overfitting. This we call as a overfitting. So in ML model, hyperparameter tuning, we try to reduce the bias and variance. In hyperparameter, we tune the parameters so that the bias and variance we can reduce. But if we try to reduce bias and variance will go high, it's a vice versa. So our goal is we need to try or find a optimal and complex model. That is the trade-off between bias and variance. Thank you for watching my video. This is all about bias and variance. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.